Maybe round, but I'm full of surprise. I'm here to learn with my big wide eyes. Hot and cold, hot and cold. Some like fire, some like snow. The stove is hot, the fridge is cold. Big and small, tall and short. What size are you? Let's play a sport. Kids shout, big ball, small ball. Big and small, tall and short. What size are you? Let's play sport. Kids shout, big ball, small ball. Big and slow, fast and slow. Race me now, then watch me go. You zoomed, woo! High down, quiet, shout and hush. Let's make music, then let's hush. This rock is hard, Bruce Pillars soft. Day and night, light and dark. Let's play sunshine, then dream with stars. Good morning, egg, time to sleep. Happy face and sometimes sad. All our feelings, good and bad. I feel better when I share. More and less, full and bare. Share your toys and show you care. I have more blocks. Let's build together. Open the door, then close it tight. Peek inside, what's in sight? Surprise! High in the sky, low on the floor. Where are you now? Let's explore. I'm high, I'm low. Hot or cold, from big to small. Learning opposites is fun for all. The little egg learned so much today. What opposite will you find next? Oh, goodbye now, friends. We learned them all. Opposites big and opposites small. Maybe round, but I'm full of surprise.